Alright, Tom Baxter here from Baxter's Body Balance, trainer at Aura Fitness and Yoga here in Langley, BC. Today we're going through the TRX high intensity interval session focused on the core, on the abs. So we're putting together 4 movements, roughly around 10 to 12 repetitions per exercise, depending on your ability, back to back. Then you're going to take a good rest. You'll probably want near 2 minutes. Repeat 2 more times. So this is going to get us those chiseled mid-center with some really good rectus abdominis, the six-pack and the obliques. So you have your internal and external obliques, which really help to give you that good finish on the core. Okay, so this first one's like a V-sit variation using the TRX. You put your hands in the straps, do a reverse hip pump, and then straight into a V-sit forward. Maintaining pressure in those straps, that's gonna really engage the lower abs for you.
All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day. Both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today.
Hands in, starting in the push-up position. We're gonna hike the hips up. We're gonna be doing some TRX windshield wipers. Try to do your best with this one. It's a really tough exercise, really keeping the core tight, and we're rotating from side to side with the legs. Number 3, well, this could be your last one if you want to switch this up. This is a challenging variation of the plank in the TRX, starting off the elbows, moving up to the full plank. You're really just using that full body, trying to maintain the best plank position as you can by really engaging through the core, the quads, and the glutes. All right, then we've also got our plank position. We're now bringing knees together, running fluidly towards one elbow. So doing your best to keep this rhythmic, nice and strong, and you're extending out through the legs, drawing the knees back into each side.
It's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day. 'Cause we both deserve.
Awesome, so that's our ab core routine, high intensity interval with the TRX RIP trainer. I hope you liked it. Please drop in some comments, like it, thumbs up. Much appreciated. If you want to find any more videos that we've done with my friend here, Jesse Minty at The Healthy Transformation, you'll be able to check out him in the descriptions box, or myself, Tom Baxter at Baxter's Body Balance on Facebook, or T Baxter PT on Instagram. Guys, thank you so much. Any recommendations or things that you want to see from us, please comment. We'd love to provide it.